This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation. In this next video, I'm going to show you how we assign and keep track of all the tasks that need to be done in order to handle a case for a customer. You can see the case that we entered in the last video. And if we want to enter a task, we can simply click on the Tasks tab and create a new one. We can assign this to anybody in the company we want. Enter a subject, a description if you need one, due date. And if you want to notify this person that they have a task, you can check this box. We left that in there because sometimes you'll put a task in for yourself. You don't want to notify yourself with an email. Or maybe you're on the phone with this person. You don't need to notify them. You just want to enter the task. So you don't have to check that box, but if you do, they'll get notified. And then just save and close. We use the standard tasks module for this. So if you're using tasks in your CRM system for any other reason, this task will show up in the same place all those other tasks show up, which could be a dashboard, Outlook, your mobile app, etc. On our next video, I'm going to show you how we submit claim requests to vendors, mills, and our sister plant locations. If you'd like more information on how we can help you with your customer service needs, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.